The simplest way to make money online with AI in 2026. If I told you that you could use AI to create something once and get paid over and over again without constantly looking for clients, will you believe me? Because that's exactly what people are doing right now. And do you know the crazy part? Most people using AI are doing it completely wrong. They are trying to compete with thousands of freelancers on Fiverr. They are trying to start AI agencies. They are trying to sell AI services. Meanwhile, there is a much simpler method that's working quietly in the background. Today, I am going to show you what I believe is the simplest way to make money online with AI in 2026. With this method, no coding, no expensive tools, no experience, and no, this is not another write articles with ChatGPT video. So make sure you watch until the end, because I am also going to show you how to turn this into a system that can earn money while you are sleeping. Let's get into it. The big problem. AI has made content creation easier than ever. Anybody can generate text. Anybody can generate images. Anybody can create videos. And because everyone is doing the same thing, it's becoming harder to stand out. But while everyone is focused on creating content, very few people are focused on creating assets. And that's where the opportunity is. An asset is something you create once and sell repeatedly. Think about templates, checklists, prompt packs, mini toolkits, worksheets, AI workflows, digital systems. These things take a few hours to create, but they can be sold hundreds or even thousands of times. That's the shift I want you to understand. Stop selling your time. Start creating digital assets. The simplest AI business model. Use AI to create highly specific digital products, then sell them on platforms that already have traffic. Let me give you examples. Imagine you are targeting YouTubers. You could create 500 viral YouTube hook prompts, thumbnail text swipe files, video title generators, YouTube script templates. If you are targeting job seekers, AI resume prompts, cover letter templates, interview answers, frameworks. If you are targeting business owners, AI marketing prompts, email templates, social media content systems. Notice something? You don't need to be an expert. You simply need to organize information better than other people, and AI helps you do that faster. How to create the product? Here is exactly what I will do. Step 1. Choose a niche. Don't choose making money online. That's too broad. Choose something specific. For example, YouTube creators, realtors, teachers, students, small business owners. Step 2. Ask AI one question. What are the biggest problems people in this niche face every day? AI will give you dozens of ideas. Step 3. Take one problem, then ask AI to help you create a solution. For example, YouTubers struggle with video ideas, so create 1,000 viral YouTube ideas for small channels. Teachers struggle with lesson planning, create 500 AI classroom prompts. Students struggle with studying, create AI study toolkits. See how simple this is? You are not creating random products. You are solving specific problems. Now, where to sell it? Now, where do you sell this? This is where most people get stuck. They think they need a website. You don't. You can sell on Gumroad, Etsy, Payship, Stanstore, Beacons. These platforms already handle payment and delivery. You upload the product once, set your price, and you are in business. Imagine selling a digital product for $10. 100 sales is $1,000. 1,000 sales is $10,000. And unlike freelancing, You don't have to keep working for every dollar. The secret most people miss. And here is the secret. Creating the product is not where the money is. Distribution is. You need people to discover your product. This is why content is still king. Create short ideas, create tweets, create Facebook posts, create YouTube videos, share useful tips from your products, and at the end, tell people where they can get the full toolkit. One piece of content can bring customers for months, and AI can help you create that content too. My challenge to you, before the next 48 hours ends, create one AI-powered digital product. Not 10, not 20, just one. Make it simple, upload it, publish it, and start learning. Because the people making money online in 2026 are not waiting for the perfect opportunity. They are creating digital assets and letting the internet work for them. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe, because on this channel I show you practical ways to make money online using the tools that are available right now. And if you want me to create a step-by-step tutorial showing you exactly how I create and sell my first digital product from scratch, comment part 2. I read every comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.